Now this week's tip, I want to save you some time. You know, I don't sit on the internet for hours and hours and hours like most of you do. I find that just such a waste. What I do is I narrow down what it is I'm wanting to purchase. So when I'm out there shopping for real estate, I narrow down, I have basically a shopping list. And what I do is I give it to every real estate agent in the area. And I say to them, listen, here's what I'm looking for. This is roughly the range that I'm prepared to spend. Bring properties to me once you've actually found something. And you know what? Now that it's getting harder for vendors to sell, my phone's running hot. So take the opportunity now to ring around, get hold of some real estate agents and let them do the shopping for you. And then when they bring you those great deals, and quite often they're off market. In fact, I'm getting more and more off market deals because vendors are scared to, put it out there, put it advertised and put it up for auction, that there's a lot more off market deals. So it means you get exclusivity. It means that you're dealing direct. So that's my tip for you. Talk to the agents and get them doing the shopping for you.